Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy RP Upadhyaya Mantagasngi kalai Photarik Jamang ulapli ba ya Chief Minister's Youth Center Umling haka jingdan rangkat BDO Umling Development Block bat kinong alam joka MCYC na Shillong. Ka jingtmu jong kani ka long kumshi banta ban pli la ki khana ki ba don sab handrai ki bam don lat ban pentebet yalade haki ba bon ki lan nadu ki kam shet jingbam kam snatiar kam sujan hadu ki kam sports bat bon jat ki we pat ki kam ka sorkar ka balaya le ban plila na ka banta kini ki samla bakin kentiu yala di ban tregi kam lajong ha ki babun ki liang la ni ka self design learning space ha ka ni ka sngi na ka liang ka MCYC ka penong ru da ka jing pen ina mi ki tiar ki ba shet bat shnahi de ki samla bat rangba ki ba don ha ka ni ka center la yo iru ha ka ni ka sngi ya ka almari ka ba la ru ban pen kala sha ka jing thia kasabon kabala sedang shna da ki laingut kilong kumi bat kabala sedang ya yobha haka thany ribhoi kabala ai kerteng da ka PRP bat shibun ki wei pat ki jing pen inam
Lima Andri Thank you so much.
Project kiba kila le akan nikalai benai Henry ya peti kat kane kaba ya la ni
akan ada sebuah nang baga jing terang ga jing kwa ga jongi marbangi lawan ha kan ga se emosi la yawan coba untuk ya mati nak ki balaya simenta sebang ga baya sujan sebang baya tan di tu bijan baya shed tengi ngabat ngasnu kwa kenbangan simenta ya kan ga sabon mah ya hatin ni persiang na ila persiang tu ka hi baka long da kala long tu ngila ya try ka nyela jong ki kitar ki bayi pensi senangi te ki sit sakohti bang ile kali sakohti ding ya ukhar ba kumnong ile bang pa bang nang masna sabon te ukhar u ai jing jang ni kan ki da kwa ban nang masna sabon te wan mo bat ni ngila ban yarap ya pi tang ông itu kentai dengan la banwan marba dan ikun yin da uang dan buat untuk ai kan kata ka ayu ai jimut yang ni da buat dengan ai dengan mata yang kita dawai bakin try bisa da pinang dan ya tip untuk ini dia persang kan dan ya persang kalau ini bakal long te tengi persang dengan yang kiu kan sanang yang persang hendet tengi bakal long kumnete tengi kermen kan bakal ka jing sang demi bakal long ka ba job biar ni kamu da kerten jonga batang yang dimembar ni
but pergi yang kasap jong pi ka topidan baru nak kalian juga administration tu employ banyak yarap banyak link ya kan ka kasap jong pi to various departments that you can showcase your talent in. and ala aslem niat was koi ngadon sa kaway meeting sa station nong po at ang ba the anything to do from the block office and also with the able support of the DC's office also, we are always ready to help and always ready to uplift the youth of the block and also of the state and of the district as well. So with those few words, yung kena samla baro to play ng kanku katoy and please continue to hone your talent, continue to improve because the only way is up. Thank you so much.
Wonderful moment, and I would like to say that this exhibition center will go, this CM Youth Center will go a long way in harnessing the talents of the youth. And at this time, when you all have a lot of energy, a lot of potential, a lot of things to do, a lot of creativity, the youth center provides you all those opportunities on how to develop that talent, how to make it more creative, how to instill the curiosity in you, how to divert your energies in a very positive manner. So this is a great day. I've seen how it functions. I've seen how the pilot project in Sorarim also, and I wish that this kind of centers, there should be more such centers like that. You will go this will go a very taken a very warm welcome by the society. I know after some time all the youth, all the kids will be here only, doing some things other here and there, and you will enjoy a lot. This center is for you, and it is your responsibility also to take it forward and to ensure that everyone is here. I would like to thank our Ranvashnal also. Firstly, it cannot happen without your support, and now since you have started this thing, I believe that you take it up forward and to ensure that all the youth, the people, the kids, the teenagers, and everyone should come here and do something. Just coming here will help you a lot, and you will find different things about yourself also. So when I went to Sorarim, I remember that there was some machinery cutting or something was there. And I was feeling like I should also do, but although I could not do it, probably I'll come here sometime, do something. Carpentry is looking very interesting for me. So these are the things that I think you should all take forward, especially the students, the kids, and the youth who is present here. So at this note, I would like to thank everyone for calling me here, and I would like to congratulate also everyone for the inauguration of CM Youth Center. And I'm very sure that after some time you will realize how much important, how much required this center was. Thank you.
Satisha Turam, Dexto Shatura. Tera ladek nato natura kadang saka personal interview itu. Tehadin pada kisah JTA mo, dalam JTA ngala kila khot ngaban lek training mo, kila khot ban lek training arbanai. Ki khot try sitayo mo ngahap lek try sitayo sitisha kadang ko ka jaka ka syamati mo, tinggi lek itu sitayo. Teka best ba mo, aka jingle jongan mar ngasngaw kalong yarap haya nga mo. Ban pencelur ban keren api kipat bak mo kawe ban pencelur nga ban ai men sim lang ikiwe mo te kata kawe ke ba kilong ka experience nga hang ne mo kilong positif ba mo I ai lat ni ke ba ni kwa mo ke ba ni kwa ban le ke ba ni trang ban le mo ta kata kawe ketika kata ka ka jing mentoy ke ba kham khrau mo ke ba nga yok mat mo te Adin ketua ka training pada ngalak lecture sakawi pada apnai ke training mo apnai. Te nangto ka training benar sibrai te ngadang kiu ba berkeren mo. Buat mentaro ngam pada long confident ba kata-kata mo merete te adin nangto ka siteyo persiteyo le yang ngam juda keren briu ngam juda nut ban keren kemne mo mak ba kemne. Te hadin nangto pada ngalet apnai ke training mo ya kan ka apnai kaya rap saya ngamo ban keren api mo.